Hello, astronomy enthusiasts! Today, our cosmic voyage takes us to the sprawling constellation Hydra, where we'll encounter a remarkable star, Alphard, also known as Alpha Hydrae. This solitary gem, shining brightly in the serpent's heart, has a captivating story to tell. Join us as we explore the luminous world of Alphard, a star that beckons us from the depths of Hydra's coils. Alphard resides in the constellation Hydra, often portrayed as the serpent or water snake. Its name, Alphard, is derived from the Arabic Alphard, meaning the solitary one, an apt description for the star. Alphard's claim to fame is its brilliance. It ranks as one of the 20 brightest stars in our night sky. Alphard is an orange giant star, radiating a warm and inviting glow. It's around 420 times more massive than our Sun, and shines with a luminosity approximately 2,000 times greater. While the Alphard's distance from the Sun is about 177 light years, its solitary radiance ensures its visibility even in light-polluted skies. Hydra, the celestial serpent, has been a subject of fascination in various mythologies. Alphard, as the heart of Hydra, plays a significant role in these cosmic tales. In different cultures, Hydra was associated with water and the idea of a serpent guarding treasures. Alphard's luminosity adds to the mystique of this celestial creature. In the modern era of astronomy, Alphard continues to captivate stargazers and scientists alike. With advanced telescopes and observational techniques, we've gained deeper insights into Alphard's characteristics and place in the cosmos. Studying stars like Alphard helps us better understand their life cycles and the critical processes taking place within them. In conclusion, Alphard, Alpha Hydrae, shines as a radiant jewel in the heart of Hydra. Its historical significance, warm glow, and solitary brilliance reminds us of the timeless allure of the night sky. The stars, like Alphard, continue to inspire our cosmic exploration. Thank you for joining us on this celestial journey to explore Alphard. If you enjoyed this video and found it enlightening, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more celestial adventures.